زارت جلسی دنیا به هم باز کرد I bet you got pissed, you don't know who to trust. So many player hating niggas tryna sound like us. Say they ready for the front, but I'm